Hello, I'm Joe Scotterman.
And I'm Dan Wakefield.
And together, along with Jessica Stefanski, we redeveloped the Adopt a Highway application process. The old application had 3 systematic problems, and that caused frustration among group leaders to the point of not even wanting to complete the application and not having a productive nor a positive experience using the IDOT website. The first problem that needed to be addressed was that the applicants were not aware of what roads were available for adoption.
To fix this problem, we developed an application that contains an interactive map that shows what roads are available to the general public. We did this by using out-of-the-box functionality in ArcGIS Online. The map on the application is automatically updated when adopted roads are added or removed.
The next issue that needed to be addressed is that when a person tried to open the application to complete the form for their group, the document wouldn't open. This caused many emails to be sent to me by frustrated members of the public asking how they can apply for the Adopt a Highway program when they can't even open the application. Trust me, you would be frustrated too.
That problem was resolved by switching from an old PDF to a new web form that works on all browsers and is mobile friendly. Once an application is submitted, the Adopt a Highway coordinators are automatically notified of the new application.
The final issue that needed to be addressed was the actual application. We streamlined the application to eliminate unnecessary questions and information that, quite frankly, were just ridiculous. So Dan, do you know what you're doing on August 21st, 2020?
No.
Well, neither do I. But the old application asked the applicant to list dates of when their group would perform cleanups 2 years in advance. We believe that by eliminating unnecessary questions, group leaders and applicants would have a more positive experience interacting with IDOT. Well, there you have it. A new process and a new application equals better customer service.
To learn more about IDOT's Adopt a Highway program, go to IDOT's website and search for Adopt a Highway.
And if you know a group that would like to volunteer, please encourage them to participate in this wonderful program. Thank you and have a good day.
Could using IT Express really save you 15 clicks or more on IT assistance? Does a drill sergeant make a terrible therapist?
And that's why yellow makes me sad, I think.
That's interesting. You know what makes me sad?
You do! Maybe we should chug on over to Mamby-Pamby land where maybe we can find some self-confidence for you, you jackwagon!
Tissue? Try, baby.
IT Express, saving you 15 clicks or more on IT assistance.
Hello, my name is Patrick Fugate. I'm the Distributed Systems Manager here in the Bureau of Information Processing in the Central Office. IT Express is our entry into the 2019 Innovative Ideas Contest. Our Bureau Chief, Dan Wilcox, charged the department with trying to come up with a better way of handling IT assistance. The current and old IT Express site had over 120 different options available to choose from. This caused a lot of confusion with staff, especially some of the staff out in the districts. So what we did was we took all 120 different options and we combined them down to 10 different cards that you currently see on the IT Express right now that is available. We also made some enhancements to it, so now IT Express is also available for the districts. So no matter which district you are currently in, you can use IT Express in order to get whatever IT assistance you need. We hope you like this idea and will visit this site and use it consistently. Thanks a lot and have a great afternoon.
Could using IT Express really save you 15 clicks or more on IT assistance? Did the little piggy cry wee 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 all the way home?
Wait, wait, wait! Max. Wait! Maxwell!
Yeah?
You're home.
Oh, cool. Thanks, Mrs. A.
IT Express, saving you 15 clicks or more on IT assistance.
Could using IT Express really save you 15 clicks or more on IT assistance? Do woodchucks chuck wood?
Hey, you dang woodchucks! Quit chucking my wood!
IT Express, saving you 15 clicks or more on IT assistance.
Hi, my name is Pete BURBULYS with District 3, and our project is utilizing a 3D scanner with summer help to complete ADA ramp design. Let's head out into the field to see what our summer help would be doing in prepping the site, putting paint marks down, and completing the 3D scan. Once the summer help is done scanning an area, the District 3 survey crew goes out to the site and establishes coordinates on the paint marks so the scans can be geo-referenced. Once the field work is done, I download the data, georeference the scans, and prepare the information to be utilized by a CAD technician for plan preparation. This is Josh. He's the CAD technician that converts the 3D scan to line work and creates a surface so the scan information can go on to an engineer for further design. And this is Scott. He does the analysis and completes the plan design. Ron Pohar, our CAD manager, he documented the process so we could take our show on the road. We've already done that by going to 2 districts.
My name is Steve WORSFOLD. I'm the District 4 Mixtures Control Engineer. Bridge deck construction is some of the costliest and riskiest jobs that we do at the district. To maximize our chances of a successful pour, the district places staff at the ready-mix plant, at the job site testing location, and on the bridge deck itself. In years past, we would use cell phones to make calls and send text messages. For anyone who has been in a ready-mix plant or on a bridge deck pour, you know that these are very loud environments, which make it very easy to miss calls and not hear text notifications. Therefore, the district tried a new, innovative approach to solve the problem by embracing a cloud-based solution using Excel 365. With Excel 365, when anyone has information to report, they upload to the cloud, which is then viewable in real time by everyone else at their respective stations. The communication is accurate and instantaneous. There are many benefits to the district and to the contractor. Number 1, there's instant communication of information. Number 2, there's no missed calls or texts. This reduces confusion, frustration, and bad information during the pour. Number 3, there's nothing lost in translation. Number 4, anyone with access can view the pour's progress regardless of their location. Number 5, it allows decision makers to react more quickly and effectively to changing conditions, which gives us a better end product. And lastly, number 6, this can increase productivity and reduce risk to the contractor and IDOT. This innovative solution helped to eliminate chronic information gaps and increased the quality of the information. Good communication and timely information always reduces risk and positively benefits not only the department, but the contractor as well. Here's a screenshot of the tab that's used by our staff at the ready-mix plant. This is the tab that's used by our staff at the job site. And this is the tab that's used by our staff on the bridge deck. The information from each tab is shared across all tabs to anyone else who has access to view the pour. Thank you for your consideration for the 2019 Technical Innovations Award from the District 4 PCC team.
Hi, I'm GWEN LAGEMANN. I'm the Programming Engineer in District 8, and our project is stakeholder scoping. What we do with stakeholder scoping is we involve a representative from every bureau, BDE and FHWA, and we review various projects and determine the scope. Let's walk through that process now.
Yes.
Hey Joe, you got that list of problem areas for us for scoping?
List or lists? Plural.
Lists.
Because I have three different. I divvied it up 3 different ways, figuring to try to help out with no money. I got roads, bridges, and the Southern Illinois Specials. Where do you want to start?
Roads.
After we finalize all our scoping locations, I will develop maps showing ADT, truck percentages, and the CRS, along with our 5% selected segments. All right, Gwen, here's all the maps of the problem areas Joe says we have in the district.
We better get started.
I got the keys.
Let's go. All right, so we are ready to go scoping. We take with us a representative from each of our bureaus and sections in program development. So we have with us utilities, programming, land acquisition, operations, materials, FHWA, construction, studies and plans, and BDE. So we're ready to go, and we're going to head out to our first job site. We have a lot of useful information we use prior to going out scoping. CRS, IRI, this is all very good information. Unfortunately, we only CRS every 2 years, so that data can become somewhat dated, especially when you're in the latter year of that 2-year cycle. Part of the reason to do scoping is we can drive out here and actually feel the road and see the issues that have arisen since the CRS data was collected. This road we're driving now has deteriorated quite significantly since we did CRS just in the last year. We can see up ahead our operations crews are out patching to repair some of that deterioration. So we're driving a route now that we are scoping. We have both vans are falling behind each other. We're able to communicate with our cell phones if we need to. We're looking for problem areas, locations that might have a median that's damaged, things that don't show up on our CRS data or any of our other available data. So we're going to drive through and look at that. After we're done driving through, we will get out and we're going to talk about what each van saw. And we will stop if there's a notable location. Culverts are a good example. Locations where we might be having other issues. We will stop and get out and discuss those problems actually at the location site. We're at a location where operations has noted we have an issue. We're at a culvert location. So since we have someone from each bureau here, we can discuss possible solutions to the issue that operations believes they're having. This information will help our designers when they start working on the plans, since they already have that input from the various bureaus that will help them in their design. We are now at the district coordination meeting, and one of the projects we scoped last year will be presented by our designer to the group.
Alright, so the next item on the monitoring meeting agenda is the 3R project on Route 3 in Madison County.
Thanks, Cindy. As mentioned, we're here today to discuss the 3R project along Illinois Route 3 in Madison County. The scope of this is 3R.
It seems like when we scoped this that there was a lot of guardrail out here. Are you guys considering extending the culvert outside of the clear zone to eliminate any of this guardrail since the terrain's pretty flat in this location?
I will go ahead and concur with scope. And what are you guys gonna process this as?
With the impacts, we're assuming this will probably be a federal approved CD.
WCD, and I also concur with scope.
That's our scoping process in District 8. Thanks for watching.